Key Miami police officers have been fired from the force after making a thoughtless joke about South Florida's predominantly black neighborhoods. Let's go to Local 10 News reporter Amy Viteri live now in Miami with her story. Amy.
Well, Calvin, it was the city manager who made the decision to fire those 3 officers. Miami's police department did an internal investigation into those comments, which happened in a group chat back in June, but it was 2 days before Christmas when each of those officers, still in their probationary period, got a termination letter from the city saying their services were no longer required. Social media comments came back to haunt 3 probationary Miami police officers fired December 23rd for remarks about using Miami's primarily black neighborhoods for target practice.
It was in bad taste, and it was an off-color remark.
Attorney Stefan Lopez represents officers Bruce Alson, Kevin Bergnes, and Miguel Valdez, whose comments are detailed in this internal memo from Miami Police. In a WhatsApp thread with other officers about finding a shooting range, Bergnes writes, "Model City has moving targets." Valdez suggests Overtown. They even run scenarios and pretend like they're shooting heroin, referencing the community's drug epidemic.
We know that there are some officers who have engaged in serious misconduct, who have betrayed the badge, and these officers weren't them.
Lopez says the messages were sent on June 30th while the officers were off duty on their personal phones, and they apologized afterward.
Law enforcement officers in this position should know better.
Community activist Robert Malone feels the officers could have been reprimanded.
And I'm hoping that someone in our community does not use this to kind of explode it and make it be something that it's not.
City Manager Daniel Alfonso issued a statement Friday saying comments like those made by the 3 probationary officers suggesting the use of human beings for target practice do not reflect the community policing principles we advocate. Miami's FOP president fired back, writing, "The manager would rather focus on text messages than the senseless killings and violent crime in the Overtown model city areas." And the attorney for these officers says there was no racial motivation behind these texts and explains one of the officers is black and another has a grandfather who is black. But in a statement today, Chief Rodolfo Llanes says that their conduct was inconsistent with the department's values. However, their attorney says he plans to file a complaint with the EEOC and will pursue all options for these officers. We're live in Miami. Amy Viteri, Local 10 News.